Hello and welcome back to Spice Box. Today I'm going to be showing you another interesting method of preparing eggplant, Schezwan eggplant stir fry. To make the Schezwan eggplant stir fry, you will need vegetable broth, eggplant, spring onion greens, spring onion whites, red chilies, garlic, sesame seeds, ginger, sugar, soy sauce, pepper powder, salt, vinegar and corn flour. In a large skillet, you can start heating oil. Once the oil is hot, you can start gently putting in the sliced eggplant. You can fry the eggplant till light brown. So I'm done frying the eggplant. Now you can remove this and drain them onto absorbent paper. You can now season this with salt and pepper. In the same skillet, you can start putting in the spring onion greens. Followed by ginger and garlic paste. And the 2 red chilies. You can add some more spring onions. You stir fry this until fragrant. Now you can add the vegetable broth. Now you cook this on low flame and you can prepare the corn flour with the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add soy sauce to the corn flour, followed by vinegar. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of vinegar, a little bit of sugar, that's half a teaspoon. You combine all of this. Once this is dissolved completely, you can now add the soy sauce mixture. So you continue to cook this on low flame, stirring continuously till the sauce thickens. The sauce has thickened. Now you can toss in the stir-fried eggplant. You stir this up and let each of the eggplant soak itself in the sauce. So we have our Schezwan eggplant stir fry ready. You can now turn off the heat. So here we have our Schezwan eggplant stir fry. You can now garnish this with some spring onions and sesame seeds. Now I'm not a big fan of eggplant, but I love having eggplant either stir fried or deep fried. Now this version of eggplant goes very well with rice or noodles.